Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we have day 22 of Vlogmas. If you didn't already know, I'm doing Vlogmas this year, which basically means I'm posting one video every day starting December 1, ending December 25th. And today we have day 22 of it. Today I'm again back in my kitchen. I also made like a hot chocolate video a few days ago in my Vlogmas series, which I highly recommend checking out. So if you haven't watched that already for some reason, just go check it out. It's pretty cool. So today I'm just going to be making some Christmas cookies with my minimal cooking skills because it's very Christmassy and we are doing Vlogmas for a countdown to Christmas. So that is what we are going to be doing today. So that is a lot for the intro. Now without any further ado, let's move on to the video. We are back with all those voiceovers which I do in my cooking videos. So the first thing which I did was to put like a cup of butter in a bowl and then some powdered sugar in the bowl. It is like 1 cup, I think, roughly 1 cup, and then you just mix it with a fancy looking whisk because it's very fancy, I don't know. So yeah, then you just mix it really well. It is actually like one of the best and one of the most fun parts of this whole thing. And then you just add 1 cup flour in there, and then you again, of course, you just mix it like usual. Like I like the dough making part of baking because of the mixing thing. And then you just add like a pinch of salt. Like when I say a pinch, I literally mean like 0% of it, like 1 pinch. I hope you're understanding. And yeah, that is what I did. And then you need to use your hands and make the dough. Of course, don't forget to wash your hands because corona and of course hygiene. So you just need to wash your hands, and just first you need to mix the powder together before making a dough out of it. So you just need to mix it really well, and you need to make like a sand kind of consistency so it looks pretty cool. Okay, so now after you do that, just add a little bit of milk to it and just make like a dough. And you can see like I'm freaking out by the feel of it. It just feels literally like play-doh. And yeah, after you do that, it's ready like this. It looks something like that, and it is so soft. Like you can see like my reaction, it is actually really soft. So yeah, and then here's my baking sheet. And yeah, you just need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees for 5 minutes. That is what I'm doing right now. Pretty boring, yeah. So now you just take the dough, and my mom is actually doing this part because it was difficult and we actually failed once. So just lay it down, and then yeah, as you can see, it got ripped off. So we tried it again. So just like a quick reminder that you don't need to be perfect, and it takes a few trials to get perfect. So yeah, so then you just take your dough and then you put on some flour and you do that. You use a rolling pin and do that. And you just need to make it like kind of thin but not very thin. It should be like a little thin. And then you just need to take like a stencil or whatever, or like something to cut the shapes out of it. And we just use like a normal cap of a container, I guess. Yeah, and then you just cut it out like that. And if you have like some those like fancy cookie cutters, then that is like perfect. That looks crazy as well. So after you do that, it looks pretty beautiful. And then you just remove the excess and you just put the cutouts on your baking sheet. And with like all the leftovers, you just mix it again, and then you again do it and repeat it and stuff like that. So then you just put the cookies in the oven. And you can see like I was freaking out because like I have this fear of burning myself. Like, this seriously how I'm pushing it like that. Yeah, so you do that and then you close it. Yeah, and we actually put it on 180 degrees for 8 minutes and then 2-minute intervals 2 times, which basically makes it 12 minutes. So yeah, 8 minutes and then 2-minute intervals. So after you do that, just take them out in a container. It looks pretty beautiful. Yeah, that's it. So our cookies are done. So Divyansh, would you please mind tasting one, or and tell me how is it? It is very good. It is very good. Yeah. Oh, this is so hot. It is very cool. Who also made this one? Christmas special. So we made these cookies today and it turned out very amazing, right? Yes. So today we did something in my kitchen again. We also made one hot chocolate video, right?
Yes.
So can you please tell them to watch that?
Yes, please watch that hot chocolate episode and then watch this.
Both of them are amazing. I don't know. So this is what we wanted to say for today's video. In case you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also to hit that big red subscribe button down below and the little post notification bell right next to it to get notified every time I post a new video. By doing this, you will become the member of the hashtag notification squad and one of my Miracle Fam members. That is all I want to say for today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video again. Until then, goodbye!